In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use AI to create incredible music effortlessly. With Soundraw, you can now craft original tracks for your videos without worrying about copyright strikes. Simply click the Create Music button. Set the tempo to slow, normal, or medium, and choose the length that suits your project. Select the mood you desire, and within seconds, the AI will generate your unique music. But that's not all. You can further adjust the music to perfectly fit your needs and create the perfect soundtrack for your creative endeavors. Subscribe for more exciting tutorials and take your content to the next level with Soundraw.